Hello friends, I'm Manpreet and I wish all my viewers a very happy Raksha Bandhan. In this video we will learn how to create these unique and attractive Rakhis at home. So let's get started.
I am using an empty chocolate tray as a base and clear coating solution for making Rakhis. First, mix the solution in the given ratio. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Take a white paper and draw the desired figures. Half solution and place the objects you want to coat. Here I am using fresh flowers for coating. Now pour some solution in order to coat them. Let them dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, push slightly harder to take them out. If you see closely, you can see my wrist, as these center pieces are transparent. Here I am using Fevicryl neon liners to make some more unique pieces. Attached colored string using fabric glue and ribbon. Use Fevicryl to close the ends.
If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.